Okay, now I'm going to explain 8th problem, that is simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So now write down what is given: 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. This is the given problem. We have to simplify this one. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Observe these two terms very carefully. Then you will know this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Okay now, a minus b into a plus b, in the form of a minus b into a plus b. That is what is the formula? A square minus b square. Okay, so in this term 1 plus cot square theta. In this term we used one formula, that is a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now what is 1 minus cos square theta? 1 square means 1. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. And now 1 plus cot square theta means cosecant square theta. Okay now, so from the third identity we learned this one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So in this way, in this step we used two formulas, that are 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Okay now, so now sin theta, cosecant theta. So you know very well, sin and cosecant are reciprocals. That's why the product of sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. So here sin square theta into cosecant square theta. That's why 1 square, that equal to 1. That's all. So if you simplify this one, we will get 1. So that is the required answer. And next we shall discuss the remaining problems in the next video. Okay, thank you.